everybody! I'm here today to show you 3 easy magic tricks that you can do with only your hands. This will be a simple and straightforward tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So all that you need is your hands. Now for one of these tricks, you can use something else, and I'm going to show you that one as well, but you basically only need your hands. And the other thing that I'm going to show you, you're going to probably have in your pocket anyways. The first one is actually your disappearing index finger. So check this out. Where is my index finger? Where is my index finger? I don't know. Where could it be? It's right there. There it is. It's really easy to do. You take your index finger, you're going to place it down like that, and you're going to grasp around it. And hold your hand at an angle where they can't see the fact that you're hiding it right there. Hold your hand like this. And then whenever you want to do the magic trick, boom, it's right there. You make the index finger appear. It's really easy to do, and you can fool a lot of people with that. Okay, but make sure you control the view, because if you show them like this or like this, they're going to know where it is. So make sure you control the view like that, and they're not going to know where it is. Boom, there it is. Okay, number 2 is when you make a coin appear in your hand. So I'm going to just show you the trick. I'm not going to show you, I'm going to show you how it works for this one. So I have a simple coin right here. What you're going to do, take the coin, place it on the top of your hand like this, in between your fingers. You're going to show them like this. Let me just roll up my sleeves over here. You know, I have nothing in my sleeves. Here we go. And then you're going to grab your hands together. You're obviously not going to show them the coin, right? You're going to go like this, you know, something like this. And it's right there. So you hide the coin here. Don't know where it is. Obviously, you know, you're going to do a better job than me. Don't know where it is. You do all the theatrics. Boom, right there. Okay, once again, put the coin right there. They don't know where it is. Here it is, just like that. Okay, the third one is actually really cool. Once again, I'll just show you how it works. You're going to take your hands. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, okay? So take your hands. I'm going to get my left hand here. I'll show you from their perspective what they're going to see. Let me turn my body a little bit more. I'm going to get my left hand here, and then I'm going to get my right hand, put it behind my left hand, and I'm going to angle it so that my fingers are kind of roughly facing the same way. My right thumb is going to disappear behind my left hand. So right here, all you see is my entire left hand, and then the 4 fingers of my right hand, and I'm going to bend them down like this, disappear my right thumb, and you're going to show them from this perspective. I'll try and make you see what it's like. You're going to show them like this. What's going on here? What's going on here? All of my fingers, and obviously it's hard to do it properly with me contorting my body this way. But if you put your fingers like that, it looks way more realistic with regards to what it's going to be like. So if you hide your thumb like that, you're going to say, look, how many fingers do I have? How many fingers do I have? 10, right? But when they count it like this, they're going to count 9 fingers. Okay, obviously hide your thumb. Like I said, it's hard for me to do it while showing you in this angle right here, but your left hand goes in front of your right hand, your right thumb gets hidden behind, okay? And you bend your fingers down, make them count your fingers. They're going to count 9 fingers, 10 fingers, just like that. That's it. Those are 3 easy magic tricks that you can do with only your hands. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.